everybody, so I was going through some of my paints and lo and behold, I found FolkArt Milk Paint and I realized I have not done a cloud effect with milk paint. So that's what I'm going to do today. Alright, so let's just get started. Hey everybody, so you got to see the dried result. I am not super happy with this one, but I do like to show you guys the good and the bad. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you are not. Share as well. And go to my Facebook page, Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and join that. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.